Hi everyone, I'm Mike and welcome to my DIY workshop. This video is one of 3 about marking out woodwork and shows you ways of drawing curves, circles and an elliptical arch. The other 2 videos cover the tools and techniques required for marking out and how to draw, copy and check angles. Here's a way of simply drawing a quarter circle. Let's suppose this is a shelf and you want to take off the sharp corner. Take a suitable sized tin, position it and draw around, and there's your simple quarter circle, and you can do the same the other end. If that size tin is not big enough and you want more of a sweeping curve, go in the kitchen and see if you can find an old tea plate or even a dinner plate to give you a much more sweeping curve. Now I'm going to show you a couple of ways of drawing a curve or a full circle when you haven't actually got a proper drawing compass. So first of all, take some string and tie loops so that the distance between the loops is the radius of the circle or the curve that you want. Put the one loop over the nail like that and draw your curve. Or you can go right round in a circle. You have to keep the tension on the string, so all the time I'm holding the pencil I'm pushing it outwards as I go round and draw. I've got another loop here, so if you want a bigger curve, again the pencil is pushed that way to tension the string evenly all the time. So now I get a much shallower curve. So the amount of curve you want is governed by the distance here. Now a more reliable way of drawing a circle is to use a bit of cardboard, drill your hole distance to be the radius of the required curve or circle, put your pencil in there and draw it around like that. Now in those previous demonstrations, for the central pivot point I actually knocked a nail into the board. Well, you can't do that with a nice quality furniture board. So the alternative is take a piece of cardboard, push a drawing pin through from the underside, and the reason for using a drawing pin, it's got a broad head and the pin can't tilt. Take the cardboard down and then, as before, draw your circle. This is a demonstration of how to quickly draw an elliptical arch, which is half of a complete elliptical shape. First decide the overall width of your arch and decide the height. The apparatus required is a pencil, 3 small nails and a piece of string. First, measure the distance of half of the width of the ellipse. Make a note of that dimension and then copy it in this way. Put the ruler on that point there and just move the ruler around until that particular dimension that you just measured hits the line here. So the distance from there to there is the same as from there to there. Put a mark on the board there and do the same over here. Put a mark, then drive your nails into those marks. And the third nail goes up here. So the distance from that nail to that nail is the same as the distance from there to here, and the same over there. Now we take the string round the 3 nails and tie the string moderately tightly so there's no sloppiness there. You might need help to hold the knot possibly. Now we no longer need this nail, we can take it out. So leave the string in place on these two nails and put the knot down here. We're now ready to draw, and you'll notice the string now is quite sloppy on these two nails. So put the knot at the bottom there, put your pencil in the loop here and start to draw. Keep the string taut all the way around as you go. The string is doing all of the work, controlling the pencil. All I'm doing is holding the pencil and pressing outwards to keep the string taut. If you want to, you can go all the way around to complete your ellipse, but there's your elliptical arch. Simple. My other two videos on marking out woodwork are listed on the right hand side of the screen. If you'd like to watch one now, just click the item. Alternatively, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, you can click the circular avatar in the bottom left hand corner. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.